In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix formatting when exporting to PPTX in LibreOffice Impress. If you've ever sent a presentation to someone using PowerPoint and noticed that slide layouts shift, text reflows, or fonts change, this walkthrough will help you keep everything looking consistent. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress and opening the presentation you plan to share. A quick note before we change anything. The most common cause of layout shifts is missing fonts on the recipient's computer. When PowerPoint can't find a font, it substitutes another, and that's usually what breaks your design. To prevent that, embed your fonts directly into the file. Go to File, Properties, then the Font tab, and check Embed Fonts in the document. This tells Impress to package the font data with your presentation so the text renders the same on other machines. Keep in mind that embedding can increase file size, and some fonts may restrict embedding, so choose your typefaces wisely. For safer results, stick with widely supported cross-platform fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, or Calibri. These are commonly available on Windows and display predictably in PowerPoint. If you need precise matching with Office defaults, install Microsoft-compatible fonts on your system, so what you see in Impress matches what your audience will see in PPTX. Avoid manually nudging individual text boxes to fix spacing or alignment. Those local tweaks often don't translate cleanly during export. Instead, use the Slide Master to define your global styles. Go to View, Master Slide, and set the fonts, sizes, and placements for titles and body text there. When you return to normal view, your slides will inherit those settings. If any slide looks off, select the problem text and choose Format, Clear Direct Formatting, or press Ctrl+M to reset it to the master style. This removes one-off overrides that can cause surprises after export. While you're editing, keep your primary version in LibreOffice's native .odp format. It's the most reliable for round-tripping and prevents gradual formatting drift that can happen if you keep saving over a .ptx during revisions. When you're ready to share, use File, Save As, and choose PowerPoint 2007 to 365.ptx. That gives you a clean export based on your finalized master and embedded fonts. With these settings and habits, your slides should look the way you designed them when opened in PowerPoint. If you follow along as you prepare each deck, you'll spend less time fixing slides after the fact and more time presenting confidently.